Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Evofox Phantom Gaming Mouse. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product itself, the Evofox branding on the top right, and the Phantom branding on the bottom. On the left-hand side of the package, we have some more Evofox branding. And on the right, we have some features. Let's go through them one by one. Up top, it says that it is a fully customizable gaming mouse. And here are the customization options. It has 7 programmable buttons. It can create macros or you can choose from a list. It also has custom LEDs and custom DPI levels up to a DPI of 4800. Below that, we have a screenshot of the software that can be used to fully exploit the full potential of this mouse. Right here, we have the link to download that software. There's nothing on the top, and on the bottom we have some information regarding the importing, and underneath that we have some information about the customer care. Over here we have some more product details like its exact model number being 423BK, and we have the black version of the product. On the back of the box we have some more technical specifications and some features, so let's go through them as well. It has a 4800 DPI sensor, as we have already mentioned, and you can switch between up to 5 sensitivity settings. It has a dynamic rainbow effect lighting setting, and it has 7 programmable buttons that can be used to simplify certain tasks. It also has an ergonomic design which has a balanced weight, and it allows for long hours of use without any discomfort. Underneath all of that, we have an image of the mouse once again, but this time in profile. Here we have some more features which include 5 million strokes. It has a 6000 FPS optical sensor and 60 inches per second of lowest speed. The interface type is USB, button again 7 programmable buttons. The mouse DPIs range from 800 to all the way up to 4800. And it has an acceleration of 15G. Its polling rate is 125 Hz, and the switches left and right have a 5 million stroke rating. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. We get some literature that basically allows you to extend your warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty. On the back, we have some customer care support as well and some numbers where you can report an issue that you're having with the product. We also get a couple of Evofox stickers, and then we have the mouse itself. The mouse has a geometric pattern on the top of it. We can see the Evofox logo at the bottom. There are 2 customizable buttons on the left hand side where your thumb would usually lie, and we have 2 buttons right here as well that can help you toggle between the DPI settings. We also have the scroll wheel, and it has a grainy texture on it which should give you a good grip. Overall, the mouse is decently hefty and does not feel too lightweight. Underneath the mouse, we have the Phantom branding, and we have some ratings which are 5 volts at 100 mA. We also have the serial number, and we have a website where we can download the drivers. Underneath that, we have the optical sensor that the mouse uses to function. In terms of the cord, we can see that it is a nylon braided cable, so it should end up being pretty durable. In terms of length, the cord is approximately 1.5 meters long, and it has a USB Type A interface. Now, as we can see, the geometric pattern on the top of the mouse is much more clearly visible thanks to the lights coming from inside the mouse. The lights are also present around the scroll wheel and around the DPI buttons. They are also present on the bottom and on the sides. They are currently on the breathing setting, which can be changed if you So decide from the software. So this was the unboxing of the Evofox Phantom Gaming Mouse. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.